become an expert yourself. Now, you don't need to become a data scientist. I'm talking about understand what AI can and
Mhm.
also what it cannot do, just like you mentioned earlier, Debony. And the other thing I will mention has to do with the internal applications. I have developed some applications myself when we're talking about agentic AI because I really want to understand this thing. But I would say businesses try to leverage one of those tools. Now, individuals, it's $20. Whether you go with ChatGPT, whether you go with Copilot, whether you go with Claude with Anthropic, whether you go to Gemini with Google. I mean, just select one. Whether you select Perplexity, you don't need all of them. Select one. In organizations, I would say you can go with some safe one. I'm not going to name vendors, but select one tool and try to get it inside of your organization to really get to understand it.